Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a CV format in Word. First, open a new document and select a professional template, or begin with a blank page for full customization. Set your page margins to 1 inch on all 4 sides to ensure a clean, balanced appearance. Next, choose a clear, readable font such as Calibri or Arial, typically in size 11 or 12 points for optimal legibility. This foundational setup is crucial for a polished and professional curriculum vitae. Now, let's organize your content into essential sections. Begin with your contact information prominently displayed at the top. Follow this with a brief professional summary or objective statement, highlighting your key skills. Then, detail your work experience, using strong action verbs and quantifiable achievements to showcase your impact. Finally, clearly list your educational background, including all relevant degrees and institutions. This structure helps recruiters quickly find vital information. To make your CV easy to read, utilize headings and subheadings to clearly separate each section. Employ bullet points for your experience and education entries. This significantly improves scannability for hiring managers. Ensure consistent formatting for all fonts, sizes, and spacing across the entire document. Aim to keep your CV concise, ideally 1 page for entry-level roles or 2 pages for more experienced professionals. A well-formatted CV makes a strong impression. Before finalizing, meticulously proofread your CV for any grammatical errors or typos. Even small mistakes can detract from your professionalism. Consider asking a trusted friend or colleague to review it for clarity and impact. Once satisfied, save your document as a PDF file to ensure the formatting remains consistent across all devices. Finally, name your file professionally, including your full name and CV, for easy identification. You're now ready to apply.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.